Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Victoria here, and I just want to show you how you can make a very simple lace pattern using the standard gauge machine. However, if you have a bulk knitting machine, the same pattern can apply. This is a simple hand manipulated lace pattern. Can make very beautiful things out of it. So to begin with, you'll need to just pull out your needles one by one, as you can see, and then you knit 3 rows to begin with. 1, and then remember to always hang your comb every time you knit the first row. So you hang your comb, and then I'm making sure that after knitting that one row, you pull back all the needles to the working position, and then you knit 2 more rows. That would be a total of 3 rows. So in case you're here for the first time, consider subscribing and being a part of this channel. There's much more to learn on this channel. A lot to learn. So please consider subscribing. And in case you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know. I had a poll running some time back, and I need to know which type of knitting machine you're using, and also which level of knitting you're at, so that I know how to tailor my videos well for you. So please answer those polls. I have few responses, but if you can, please answer. So now I am going to start the pattern. So if you have, I'll be using the transfer tool. I have a bigger one and a smaller one, which is one-ended, in case you don't have a bigger one. So it's a matter of skipping one needle and transferring one stitch to the next needle, and then skipping it, transferring this to the next, and then skipping it. To begin with, I skipped 2 needles at the beginning, and the trick is, here I'm using the bigger transfer tool. So the trick is to begin to know how to do the transfers after the 3 rows. Where your carriage is, that is, now here my carriage is at the right. So I'll begin the transfers from the left to the right. Yes, so you do the transfers from the left to the right, and then you do the 3 rows. So that's what I'm basically doing. Here I have the bigger transfer tool. It makes the work easier. But in case you have the small one-headed transfer tool, please use that, though it takes quite some time, but you can use that. And you transfer one needle, one stitch to the next needle. You skip it so that we have a one by one needles on the needle bed. It's an easy lace pattern. It really brings out a beautiful lace design, and you should try it out. Try it out with anything. Let me know what you will try it out with. I tried it out, and I think it's really beautiful. In case you're doing a beach cover up, a dress, a top, it's a good lace pattern. Let me know when you try it out. You can tag me on my Instagram at abokinit. I'll be glad to really have a look at what you will do. So because, like I told you, my carriage is at the right, so I've made sure that I transfer from the left to the right. Then after all the transfers, make sure you pull back all your needles into the working position, all of them. Because if you leave one behind, it will knit, and it will be a different design. So after that, you knit the 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and then you do the transfers again. So here I had gone a long way. See how beautiful it turns out. Now, because right now my carriage is at the left, I'm moving from the left end to the right. This is what I wanted you to see. So when after the 3 rows, when your carriage is at the left, you move from the right to the left. When your carriage is at the right, you move from the left to the right. Yes, so You need 3 rows and you continue doing the same. It's so very simple. It really brings out a nice pattern. Like you can see, the holes are really so nice. In case you want to make a dress out of it, you can just add a lining, layering. You can make a scarf, you can make a throw on, anything as simple as, like, anything you really want to do with it. Here my carriage has ended at the left, at the right, so now you see I'm beginning from the left to the right. As simple as that. As simple as that. So just do it. Let me know how it really turns out for you. What are you planning to make with this lace pattern? And I also want to take this opportunity and invite you to join my channel. Yes, the membership channel, where I'll be showing exclusive. Already I am going to be putting up pants, trousers, and as well use this pattern for those pants. So join the membership. It's a way of supporting me in the business that I'm doing here. So I'll be glad to really have you in the membership. Yes. And also I'd love to invite you. Okay, I'm requesting that in case you see whenever you see an ad pop up in the videos, kindly view it. Don't skip. It's a way for me to earn revenue. Please don't skip the ad. Let me earn from it by that. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Please just watch the ad. It's just for a few seconds or minutes, and you'll be supporting Aboki Knits. I really appreciate you. I appreciate the support, the subscribing, the likes, the comments. Just in the comment section below, let me know what you're going to be creating with this lace pattern, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Ciao.